Dear teachers, my name is Lucian Ngeze from Tanzania. I would like to teach you today about one tool that you can be able to use to teach online with your students. So this is what you call Google Meet. Google Meet is a Google application that you can be able to use for teaching, engaging your students online in an online video conferencing. Now, to get into Google Meet, first of all, you have to have logged into your email account, Gmail account, and then you look into the Google application on the top right corner, and then you select the Google Meet here. Once you click on Google Meet, it opens up, and then you get two options here. One is for new meeting, and the other for entering a code or link. The first option is for creating a link which you can share with your students, and then the second box here is basically to be able to put a code that you would like to join a meeting. Now, since you want to learn about how to create a new meeting, click on creating a new meeting, and then click on create a new meeting for later, of which this link will be created here. And then this link you can be able to share with your students, and then later on they can be able to join using the same link. And then as long as you have set up time, then you can be able to, they can be able to learn from the link itself when time comes and join the meeting, and you'll be able to teach them. This is how basically you can be able to do, and you can share it using many ways. One, you can be using WhatsApp, for example. You can check any link and post it to any of the folders, and then paste your link, and then allow your WhatsApp group people or students to be able to learn from this link. That's all. Thank you. You can do the same operation using your smartphone if you possess a smartphone. So what you have to do first is to be able to link your smartphone with your laptop by using the application Screencast or any other application that you might have. Then once you have this Screencast app, you link it, and then you go to your Google Meet app, which you must have installed. Click on the Google Meet app. Then the same Google Meet app will open up, and then again you have two options at the top here: new meeting and join with a code. For this case, I want to create a meeting, and therefore I click on new meeting. When you click on new meeting, you have the first two links, two options. One is get a meeting link to share or start an instant meeting. We don't want an instant meeting now, but we are creating a link for the use of later. So I click on get a meeting for later. Now this is what happens. You can copy the link manually and then share with your people through email or WhatsApp or anything. So you can also share information through by clicking on share information, and then we have a lot of apps where you can be able to share information. Let me say I want to share this information into my WhatsApp group. Click on WhatsApp Business, and then maybe I put into the mixed post group here, and then I select that, and then the link will come here, and then I say okay. So if my students are in this group, then I'll be able to say, so you can say meeting starts at 9 a.m. and then this means that we'll be able to join at 9 a.m. and the class will start. Thank you.